Wait till he points. Oh no, I can't color my hair anymore. Maybe I should check in the closet. Home. Hi, Bobby. Have you seen my markers? Maybe. Vince. I'm sorry. I saw them in your room and I just...
You just had to take them.
I had to take them. I tell you time and time again, don't go in my room because...
Those markers, I need them.
Those markers, I need them. I know, but you don't understand. I have to do this project for class where I take a drawing of something that I really like and I put it in a
vase.
In a vase. And then I draw it. You could have just asked me. Now I have to search the room and I have to search the floor. Well, oh, you know what? You don't have to search. Here they are. And you chewed my marker. I was hungry. I know they're scratch and sniff markers, but you should have not chewed them. I'm sorry. I was sniffing it and it smelled so much like an apple. I just had to taste it. But I put it in my mouth, and that's when.
It tastes so good, and I tried to swallow it.
It tastes so good, I tried to swallow it. But it didn't go down, and it started getting lodged in my throat. It was very bad. Okay, that's one apple marker. There's 17 more. Well, I thought after the first one, I might as well try the rest of them. So that means they're
in your stomach?
They're in your stomach. Yes, and you can't have them back. Hi, guys. Oh. I'm here to do the project with all the markers. I like to draw. Jimmy. Yeah, Jimmy. That's me. Jimmy. Yeah, come on. We gotta do the markers. We gotta start the project before we die. Before we die, our hair's like yours. Jimmy, there are special markers. Oh, I'm sorry. You don't have to. I can be offended. There are special markers for you. All you have to do is go back there and look in your stomach. In my stomach. Yeah, in your stomach. Wait, listen. That was the watermelon one. Oh, you ate all the markers. You need to take him to a hospital
because he might throw up and he might spit out the markers all over you.
Wait, you know what? I took first. Boy, it smells like a fruit salad. He threw up rainbows. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's like Fruit Loops in here now. There's a cell phone in there? Oh my God. Well, you have a problem. I know. Whenever I see anything that looks tasty, I just have to eat it. I just have to eat it. Oh my God. We gotta take you to the
doctor because you might throw up.
Doctor, because you might throw up. You're looking a little pink. Yep. Well, I just threw up on the markers. Oh yeah. Maybe you should pick them up. I don't think you want to touch them. I think they're kind of covered in. Gil. I got an idea. How about we
get a plastic bag and pick them up?
How about we get a plastic bag and pick them up? Well, that sounds like a great idea for you. You know what? I'm gonna help you because
they're all over the place.
They're all over the place. Okay, you guys cover this. While you're doing, I'm gonna go grab I'm gonna go grab other markers.